gang. What it do? Y'all see it's nice and sunny today. Hey man, we trying to get right. You know what time it is, man. This Sunday, like I say, my boy Gooch got his event going on. About to be mega live and lit, you know what I'm saying? They got a couple lock-ins, me included as well, you know. Supposed to be running Dula and his Mustang. I might get patched, who knows, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to go out there, see what it do, have a little fun. He got a, I think it's a notchback, with a coyote. I can't even think right now, y'all. I literally just got up out the bed, trying to hurry up because Cuz literally on his way here, so I don't want to have him waiting or nothing like that. But yeah, I'm supposed to be running Dula this Sunday at US 41 for my man's Gooch event. Like I say, he got other multiple lock-ins going on as well, so we're gonna see what Freaky do. You know, Dula got him a notchback Mustang, and it got a Coyote swap in there with, I think, either a 6-speed or 8-speed transmission or something like that. So that thing should scoot, you know what I'm saying? It should be a nice good one, man. So, you know, about to go ahead and get Freaky checked out because she got a slight little oil leak still. And hold on, let's pop this open. Yeah, she got a slight little oil leak still. So want to get that all situated because I've been topping her off here and there. And then shit, look like we still got a slight power steering leak. I don't know if y'all can see that fluid in between there right there. So I literally don't know where that's coming from, man. Like, I'm thinking it's coming from around this part right here, but I literally don't know. And it's not like it just be leaking crazy. It only happened like when the car is literally parked overnight, then I come back out and see it. Like, even when I park it on the street, I don't see anything like that. But I think one of the major oil leaks is coming from this breather right here, because if y'all see, it's a lot of residue and it's literally sliding directly to the back here. And then I think it's falling back, and then based on the fan blowing, it's got it all flowing down there because, you know, when we took it to Casey, he had got all that situated. But damn, it looked like this thing done moved a little bit too. Looked like that air breather done moved a little bit too. Got a couple nicks on that demonstration. I'm gonna have to get that checked out too. Probably pop that off and yeah, it moved a little bit. Hey man, that's why you gotta literally come up underneath here, pop the hood on a regular, check what's going on. Matter of fact, let's check the oil while we at it right here. See if we decent. See, it look like we need to add some oil now too. I don't know if y'all see that. I don't know if it's picking that up, but shit, look like we need to add oil too again. So I'm gonna go and top this thing off. Gotta get this leak fixed, gang. Like, no cap. I hate leaks, hate oil leaks. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's the mojo for today, man. About to take it to the shop, go and get it all situated. Then I know we was talking about the backside of stuff too. So these adapters, if y'all know, I mean the spacers, as y'all know, I wasn't able to put on. So now I got to take it to him to get them things honed out. Literally the issue was these lug nuts were too wide for the adapter, I mean for the spacers. So it wouldn't sit flush on there. And then I think these are like these are a tad bit smaller than I think these are 7/16 spacers, and the ones I got are 1/2-inch spacers. So with those being that little bit, you know, I really don't want to chance it rubbing upon the quarters or anything like that. So he gonna mill them down to 7/16. I know 7/16 to 1/2 inch is literally like minimum is ever, but I mean minimum can go from rubbing to not rubbing. So right now I have no issues, no rub. I can ride 4 deep, no rub. I can turn, no rub, no issues. So I want to go back with that same size. So I'm about to go ahead and top on off with this oil real quick, and then wait for Cuzzle to get here, and then we're gonna go head to the shop and get all this stuff situated. Like I say, don't need no oil leaks on the track, especially while I'm running and that oil get behind that tire or something like that. That's not safe at all. But I'm probably gonna pop this valve cover, I mean this air breather thing off too, and try and get that all aligned back right, because I don't know why it don't know how and why it moved. But shit, let me go and get to it, and then when Cuzzle get here, cut this thing back up when we get to the shop and show y'all what we got going on there. So sit tight, gang. It's gonna be a good one. Let's get it. Gang. Rolling now, man. We got about 45 minutes till we get to the spot. I ain't gonna lie, driving this demonstration and this turning heads the way it is, man, it's so crazy. Like, what I got in store for this little freaky demonstration, it's gonna be mind-boggling. I'm talking about, I'm going buku crazy. I'm talking about, I really just can't even describe the level of how I'm coming with it. Y'all just got to sit back and stay tuned for the entire build. Only be right if Siri jumped in the video. It's only right. Hey, every time. Hey, she made her presence again. But man, like I say, she's sauced up the way she is right now. But when I put that all the way 100% Kooliebkoolin flame on it, it's gonna be like a dynamite bomb, boy. Man, it's about to be so looking crazy. Man, I love riding this thing. I mean, it turned a million heads. I get a million thumbs up just the way she sit already. So, you know, I'm just happy to be riding, man. I'm about to go ahead and cut the tunes on, enjoy my little 40-minute ride I got left now to get to the shop. And then, you know, once we get there, I'll turn this demonstration back on, gang. Ain't nothing like riding in the old school on a nice sunny day with that breeze just purring so nice, man. It's one of them feelings I can't describe it. Appreciate it, man. Can't describe it to y'all, okay? Can't describe it. One that you gotta get you one, get out in that demonstration. No cap. Dang, we here. Hey man, I hope y'all like that rolling footage. I ain't been able to check it out yet myself, but shit, it was fun doing it while I was driving doing this. Oh, shit, that's the important thing. But trying to, like I said, trying to get y'all what I can when I can, you know, to try and amp up the vlogs a little bit, you know what I mean? And I know y'all be wanting to see this thing get fully, you know, so I'll be having to go and twist from time to time in this demonstration and get it on camera, because y'all really don't know. I really be twisting it all the time, you know what I'm saying? But I be chilling at the same time. But yeah, man, we here. Y'all know where we at, man. The one spot that I always touch, the 69 gang, you know. Only one that's gonna be touching Lil Freaky right now at the moment, you know what I'm saying? Getting right. So we here to drop it off. He not here right now, and he said he gonna be a little minute, so I'm gonna drop this demonstration off to him. I wanted to bop inside the shop and show y'all what he got working on the inside and everything, but being he not here, we ain't gonna be able to do that. So I mean, if you seen the last video, he pretty much got the cars that's out here, but y'all know that he on that type of time with it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see somebody about to act bad, got a fresh dart mode out here, ready to get stuffed in something. Y'all see he got the G-body cutlass here. Pretty sure he doing something to this. Don't know exactly what he got going on, but shit, it looked like it's trained to go, and it looked pretty clean too. Definitely. Oh yeah, you got a motor in there. You got a motor in there. You know, that's the one thing about them big hood things and grudge racing. You can kind of look through there and see the type of time they coming on the motor. But you got the SS truck here. You know what I'm saying? He really be working on the F-bodies. He's a suspension guru, so he get your shit to work, man. So Freaky's gonna be digging at the track, man. That's the goal. To go on, have a dig, hook, and book, and do what's needed to be. Y'all see, you got the Mustang over here too. Everybody sitting on tires right now out here, you know. I'm definitely a fan of the 3rd gen, something crazy. So been thinking about grabbing one of them and putting something together on one of those to be riding around, because I really love them, being my pops got one, and I still got to do a review on that one too, because I know y'all still ain't seen my pops on his shit. Mega clean. I think only like 45,000 original miles on there. Is red too. So I'm gonna try and get that on the vlog one time for y'all. Matter of fact, I think this weekend we supposed to be popping out to Camaro Fest out in Mokina or something like that. I think it's Mokina over at Duke's. So, you know, I'm gonna be out there with Lil Freaky if y'all want to come check it out. Pop should be out there with his Camaro as well too. I mean, like they say, it's Camaro night, so trying to pull up. I went to the last one, got there late, so this time I'm trying to pull up in timely manner so I can give me a nice park and see all the other 69s that's out there, you know what I'm saying? See her Kent folks out there, you know what I mean? And let her spread her wings and let everybody see what she got going on too, man. But shit, I think that's gonna be a wrap on this vlog. Like I said, we trying to get right now. I'm having to do an oil change on it too as well. Might as well. I mean, shit, since we gonna play with it this Sunday, I'd rather have fresh oil in there. So there's never a limit of how many oil changes you could do on the car. I've learned that. Like, you don't gotta wait the time to do it. Fresh oil is gonna keep the engine nice and healthy, running super smooth and everything like that. So I'm having to do a fresh oil change on that too, and just look over everything, make sure everything is all suited and booted. We're gonna put them billet joints on the back. And shit, we shouldn't have no issues, you know, and we should be able to have fun this Sunday coming up at 41, man. If y'all not there, make sure y'all come pop out. It's gonna be a lot of big rim racing out there. It's my boy Gucci first event, so you know we gotta pop out, show support. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a flyer at the end of this video so y'all could go ahead and see everything, times that it is, and location, get the address and all that. Like I say, it's US 41 in Morocco, Indiana, US 41 Dragway. It's from 10 to 6, so make sure y'all get there early, and it's on this Sunday coming up right now, man. So y'all know Big Juice gonna be on deck. We trying to come out there, have a lituation, and trying to put the gapping on do last. So sit tight for all that footage. Fully Cam's gonna be on deck. GoPro's gonna be lit this time. Your boy gonna be out there in this grind, getting to it, man. So on to the next one when we pick this sexy motherfucker up, you know. I be forgetting her name, Lil Freaky Gang. I be calling her the 69 because it's just easy. But Lil Freaky, we know what type of time you coming off. So yeah, that's gonna be the end on this one. Shit, see y'all on the next video. We gone.